Hi location users, today I'll be walking you through the new look of our FM dashboard. In the previous version, the Create Work Order button was located on the top left. In the new version, you'll now find it on the top right, just below the search bar. Action items have also been moved, and instead of being on the left-hand side, they're now positioned at the top beside the search bar. From here, you can quickly select a status like unassigned or pending acceptance to view relevant work orders. So as you can see here, you'll see work orders under the unassigned status. Trade restrictions have now been moved as well. You can find it below under the utility sections. Previously, you can find it here beside all these options here, where now there's additional information on that list. Contacts, tickets, work orders, assets, inventory, notes. Now there's environmental and attachments. Just take a few minutes to explore the updated layout and get familiar with the changes.